They have something on the, there is something on the lens.
All right, it's our first day back at Duthie after like months, right? Months? It's been months.
Yeah.
So, Jake, you gotta take it easy. All right, we're just gonna send it.
Ready?
I think so.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, let's get out of the sun.
Ready?
Yes, sir. All right, bud. Hey, guys. There's more rocks. That's weird. Nice, dude.
I can't all the way do it next to with my soda pads on, so I can't reach all the way.
Oh, you
As
sure?
far as I can reach.
Oh. All right. Here we go. Oh, it's wetter than I thought it was going to be. This trail is so muddy. It's June. What the heck is going on? Man.
Pretty muddy.
Yeah, that was very muddy, dude.
Ready?
I think so. I don't think I'm going to go full send, are you?
I don't know.
You don't know? We'll see in a second.
Yeah. Ready?
Well, it doesn't look like the wood's slick, so I am ready. Yeah. Okay, I'll just follow you.
3, 2, 1. It's alive!
Whoa! My front tire started sliding out.
What?
I said my front tire started sliding out. Oh no.
I just went on the brake.
You almost ran over a bird?
Uh-huh. With a tiny little one in the middle of the tail.
Well, our goal is not to kill any animals today, okay? Close? But why? That's okay. I'm still gonna sit my stuff on the edge. Huh?
That's pretty high. After this, I'm gonna go put some pressure on it, okay?
How? Oh, it's flat.
Not that flat.
Okay, yeah, we'll see if we can throw some CO2 in it in a second. You gotta pump it up. Pump it up. I haven't done a drop in a long time. Good job.
I didn't even pull up. I just got a lot of speed.
You went really far. I should have got right beside you. That'd have been really cool. He's up there. He's gonna huck this, I think, really high is what he was saying. So I guess we'll see. I heard it. Dude, you went, we'll have to, I wish I would have stood a little closer. I was worried about the people coming, but like,
So you're really far?
yeah, you went so far. It was ridiculous. Okay, good.
Look at the crank thing, too.
Dude, there's so many. This is a pretty cool little deal here. I mean, look at this. I dig it.
Tool hunters. That's the part
Here.
Tire levers that are hooked up. Oh.
Is that handy dandy?
That's awesome. Look at it.
Yeah, man. This is almost like the one at North Bend, except I think this one's better because they pull back up. I totally dig it, man.
And there's a loose wrench right there. This is an awesome new bike stand at Duthie.
All right, let's see what you got. You have about 10 PSI.
Oh, come on. Oh, whatever. How smooth is it?
Come feel this. Pump it. Pump it, pump it.
What the?
Here, put it in.
That's amazing.
It is
It doesn't
amazing.
get any harder.
I think it puts very little pressure in at a time. See how little it's going up? So I think 25 or so, you should be good. That pump is the smoothest pump I've ever felt in my life. Which is crazy because it sits outside all the time in the rain. All right, you got it?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's very awesome. This is a cool bike stand here, Duthie. Here.
Well, look at this pretzel thing.
Hey, bike stand, just in case it's really foobarred. What do you think? What are you doing? I was joking. I was joking. What's wrong with you? All right, go.
I was trying to ride over.
Are you? Do you need a break or you want to go straight down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Yeah is the answer? All right, go ahead. Whenever you are.
All right. So muddy. Send it.
That was cool.
Bye.
No, you're not getting in front of me. Double track. Combat. He's so mean, Jacob.
All right. Drop in.
Woohoo! It's so wet.
There's a hole in the trail.
Oh, there is a hole.
And then there's rocks sticking out. There's mud. Right. Whoa. Oh, that's fun.
You want to go in front of me or after me?
Whoa! Dude, I almost just ate it so hard. It's too much water. Too much wet. Too much mud. What the heck, man? How much did it rain last night? Oh, what the heck? Dude, that was ridiculous. Everything was so wet.
No cleaning, no nothing. It's like a 5-minute walk from the house. So. How's Alan doing? Oh, he's doing on the big one. Watch this.
Got too high. That front wheel come up too fast on you? That was awesome, dude. I'm glad you hit that brake though. You end up on your back real quick. Nice. Whoa, big sin for a little dude. Woo, same time, huh? Yeet. Take two, that looked pretty good. Woo. Oh, you almost messed up. Good job, guys.
I need more speed now.
Well, that's gonna look really cool.
Was that pretty good?
Yeah, that was really good. I thought I was gonna run into that by looking at you. That would have been totally awesome. Something is going on here.
It's a little heavy.
Oh, those bearings are gone. Oh, that's awesome. That's crazy. It's amazing how that just happened, like just then.
Oh, wow, that's horrible.
Yeah, but it was catching a second ago.
Oh, it's catching good. Oh,
Well, good thing I got new.
oh God.
They're gonna snap off, I think. Oh, that's terrible. Well, my new cranks are supposed to come tomorrow. And then I have the race faces at the house. Yuck! Oh, dude, that pedal is wobbling under my left foot. I tried to get a picture of it. I don't think it worked. Are you okay? That was perfect, dude. That was awesome. Dude, that was perfect the way you landed it. You got a little sketchy? Dude, you went so far. I got it on both my phone and my thing. You want to see?
Yeah.
Here. Check it out.
That was so scary.
Oh, good. Got the Manitou front fork, and then you got the Fox in the rear. Man, I like it. That's the same Fox shock I got, I think.
Yeah.
That's a very nice bike.
Do you want to do the drops again? All right.
All right. There you go, there you go. That's gonna be hard. Oh, so close. Jesus, you gotta quit hitting your back brake.
Back down. I gotta go again. I pulled up too late.
You went pretty high still. Did you have a good day today, bud?
Pretty good.
What happened?
What's later?
You got a spider on you?
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.